Hello everyone, if you have a dried Anthurium in your home, don't worry, let me help you fix it with aloe vera and dried tea. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. My Anthurium has wilted leaves, dry soil lacking nutrients, and rotten roots. First, we have to remove dry, rotten roots and dead branches. Aloe vera is a very nutritious plant. It also helps the plant retain moisture and prevent pests. So I will use aloe vera and a towel to carefully clean the Anthurium leaves. We gently rub aloe vera on the leaves of the Anthurium so that the leaves can absorb nutrients and moisture. Then use a clean cloth to remove mold and dirt that are harmful to the plant. After cleaning, I will use rice husks mixed with dry tea to plant taro in a suitable pot. The loose rice husks help plants grow roots easily, while the dried tea helps improve soil quality, provide nutrients, and prevent pests. This is a natural fertilizer, harmless to humans, and cheap. After 25 days of planting with dry tea and rice husks, the pod of taro flowers is green, healthy, and has many roots. Now we will take care of it so that the flowers are bigger and more numerous. To keep plants and leaves moist, remove mold, and prevent pests, I will use a quantity of tea plus 1 clove of onion mixed with boiling water. Let cool. After the tea cools, use a damp cloth to gently wipe each Anthurium leaf to remove dirt, harmful microorganisms, and prevent pests. We water the remaining tea plus onion water on the base of the taro to help keep it moist and develop the roots. After only 2 months of care, we will have healthy, beautiful, and flowery Anthurium plants, helping to enrich your balcony. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to live and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.